While continuing our discussions on the subject of painting defects, its preventions and countermeasures, our today's subject is blowing. Our discussion will include illustration and photograph, explanation of key terminologies, causes and countermeasure, repair method, and introduction to the next topic. Blower is a paint defect that occurs when air or gases trapped beneath the paint surfaces, typically in areas such as body filler, stopper, solder joints, seams, or fiberglass laminates, expand during low temperature baking or forced drying. This expansion causes the trapped air to break through the paint film, resulting in blisters, bubbles, ruptures, or blowing on the surface. This blowing defect occurs during low stoving or forced drying. It is caused by trapped air or gases. Common sources are body filler, stopper, solder, seams, fiberglass, and it results in defects breaking through the top coat. Before going into the details of causes and countermeasures in respect of blowing, let us go through some important terminologies. Number one, body filler. Body filler is a thick polyester-based material used to fill deeper dents, dings, and surface imperfections. It is applied first. Number two, stopper. Stopper is also called a fine filler. Stopper is a much finer, smoother filler applied over cured body filler to fill minor holes, scratches, or surface irregularities before primer painting. Force drying. The term force drying refers to the process of speeding up paint drying using external heat or airflow, but at lower temperatures and for shorter durations than full baking or stoving. Its key features are it uses hot air blowers or infrared lamps or low temperature ovens with the temperature ranging from 30 degrees centigrade to 80 degrees centigrade. The purpose is to speed up surface drying, but it may leave underlayers wet or gassy. It's often used in spot repairs or a quick turnarounds. Knifing. The process of applying body filler or stopper using a flat tool to fill dents, scratches, or surface imperfections. In simple terms, knifing is when you spread filler onto a damaged surface using a knife-like tool to make it smooth and even before painting. Why it is important? Good knifing results in smooth surface with no air bubbles, whereas poor knifing results in air trapped under filler, resulting in defects like blowing during drying. Feathering. Feathering or feather edging in simple terms refers to gently sanding the edges of the damaged or repair areas, so that they should blend smoothly onto the surrounding surfaces. Why it is important? It removes sharp edges or steps caused by scratches, chips, or filler. Makes the surface smooth and gradual, so paint applies evenly without showing lines or defects. It prevents issues like blowing, peeling, or paint edge visibility. For example, if there is a paint chip or filler spot, sand the edges gradually outward to make smooth transition. This will avoid having a hard edge under the new paint. Knifing versus feathering. By virtue of definition, knifing is the process of applying body filler or stopper using a spatula or knife, whereas the feathering is the process of sanding edges of damaged or filler areas to blend smoothly with surrounding paints. The purpose of knifing is to fill dents, scratches, or surface imperfection. The purpose of feathering is to smooth out transition between repaired and original surfaces. In case of knifing, the tool used are knife, spreader, or spatula, whereas in case of feathering, sandpaper is used. Stages of work. Knifing is done before sanding. Feathering is done after filling. Focus areas. In case of knifing, the focus areas are damages like dent, hole, and imperfections, whereas in feathering, the focus areas are edges of the damaged or a repair zone. Risk of mistake. In case of knifing, poor knifing can trap air, and in case of feathering, poor feathering can leave sharp edges. The desired results in case of knifing are smooth and even applications of filler with no air pockets. In case of feathering, the purpose is seamless edges, transition with no noticeable line or step. Let us come to the causes and countermeasures. Number one, the probable cause could be poor knifing technique when applying body filler. The recommended countermeasures are use a good knifing technique when applying stopper. Avoid too acute or sharp angle, that is from 10 degrees to 20 degrees. The material will roll under the blade and air bubbles will get trapped. Number two, thick or deep application of body filler left unsealed. When deep filler areas are not properly sealed, trapped air or solvent vapors can escape during drying, causing bubbles, blisters, or blowing. The recommended countermeasure is seal the body filler surface with a thin, even layer of stopper before applying undercoat. This helps close any pinholes or open pores in the filler, preventing air or solvents from escaping through the paint film during drying. The reason number three could be stone chips and scratches were not properly feather edged. That is, sharp edges or sudden thickness transitions can trap air or create weak adhesion points under the paint. The recommended countermeasure is properly feather edge all damaged areas. That is, smooth out edges around chips and scratches to ensure a gradual surface transition, promoting strong adhesion and preventing trapped air that can lead to blowing. What are stone chips? Stone chips or rock chips are small areas of damage on a vehicle surface caused by stones or debris hitting the paint while drying. The fourth reason could be damaged or open body seams were not properly resealed. That is, unsealed seams can trap air or moisture, leading to blistering or blowing during paint drying. The recommended countermeasure is thoroughly inspect all body seams and reseal any damaged area before painting, because proper seam sealing will prevent air or moisture intrusion that can cause paint defects. What are seams? Seams are joints or gaps where two metal panels of a vehicle are joined together, usually by welding, folding, or bonding. In case the vehicle has already been painted and we have to repair it, now we can repair this by following the following steps. Number one, strip to bare metal. That is, remove all paint and filler to expose clean metal. Then, clean and treat surface. Use phosphoric acid based metal conditioner to remove rust and improve adhesion. Refill the surface as needed. Any body filler or stopper to restore shape, then let it cure. Thereafter, sand or smoothen out. Sand the area evenly and feather the edges when required. Repaint. Apply primer paint, base coat, and clear coat as per system guideline. With this, we conclude our today's discussion on the subject of blowing. Please do drop your comments, share your experience. Your feedback matters and we read everyone. Our next topic on the subject of paint defects is blushing, that is milkiness. Thank you. Thank you very much.